All in all, I think it works really great for what we do. Um, and I pretty much like using it day in and day out.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm a co-owner of Computer House. I want to show you guys how we utilize RepairDesk and how some of the great features make things work so much more efficiently here. Some of the things that I like right off top with it is the fact that we're able to categorize a lot of our different services right on the screen. So typically we get customers, they'll come in with their computers, their laptops, their gaming consoles, their cell phones, or even with just day-to-day purchases that they make throughout the store. We're able to quickly navigate to it. We're able to quickly answer questions and get that pricing information from them. It easily integrates with our Square point of sale, and we're able to get them on a contactless. We can also do over the phone payments and stuff with it as well. Also what I like is we're able to access our front facing screen so customers can see their information on it and they're able to see their transactions as we're going through the services. I like the fact that I can access the customer's name, address, and telephone number. So if ever I need to send them a text message about the status of their service, just let them know any more information, or just simply let them know that the service is complete, we can quickly do that.